Nick must budget his limited income. Zoe wants to move out on her own. Dan just got laid off. In budgeting decisions, your students will meet 16 young adults facing critical budgeting decisions. Decisions that will have serious impact on their lives and ones that your students could also face in the real world. Rosa has worked part-time in her aunt's clothing retail shop. Now she has the opportunity to buy the small business. Your students evaluate each choice to determine if the financial decisions are good ones, earning cash as they answer correctly. Rosa's budgeting challenge is to grow the business, make the payments to her aunt, meet her monthly business expenses, and live off what she earns. In budgeting decisions, every answer is explained so your students can understand why one financial option might be better than another. By the time your students have learned about each of the 16 situations, they'll have made nearly 100 budgeting decisions, and you'll be able to view their scores at any point. Budgeting decisions is a great way to prepare your students to make these vital choices on their own. Sign up for a free trial today and discover how we are bringing real life into the classroom.